Get into a car with value. 2016 Honda HR-V. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 150,000 miles on the odometer. Presenting the Honda HR-V, the small SUV that thinks big and bold when it comes to safety, convenience, handling, cargo, fuel efficiency, and infotainment technology. We think you'll agree it's an engineering marvel. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, alarm, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, heated front seat. This Honda HR-V is the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and cleverness. Come in for a test drive experience and take a closer look.